Welcome back to Tips and Tactics. Today, we're going to learn how to set up your document for double-sided printing by adjusting the page margins in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, open the Word document you want to set up for double-sided printing. Next, go to the Layout tab on the ribbon and click on Margins. From here, select Custom Margins at the bottom of the list. In the Page Setup dialog box, adjust margins as needed, remembering that the inside margin is for the binding. Now, under Multiple Pages, select Mirror Margins from the drop-down menu. Click OK to save the changes. Finally, it's time to print. Go to File Greater Than Print. In the Print settings, select Print on both sides. Flip on Long Edge to ensure proper alignment. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips like this. See you next time on Tips and Tactics.